everyone and welcome back. For this recipe you'll just need some simple ingredients: 2 cups of noodles, frozen veg, chilli, spring onion and only 1 egg. Give the frozen veg a good wash. Put some vegetable oil into a pan. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Just adding some of the spring onion greens here, so let that cook down nicely, give that a good mix. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and share with your friends and family. Also, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you'd like me to cook. So I've added the vegetables here and give that a good mix. You can add a pinch of salt here as per taste. Just adding some black pepper here and another pinch of salt, some paprika and turmeric. I've added some garam masala here, but this is completely optional. If you like egg recipes, then check out my quick and easy omelette recipe. A bit more salt here, again as per taste. So we're ready to go in and add the pre-cooked noodles. Just added the egg in and I'll give that mix around and swivel that into the noodles. You can see that the egg is slowly starting to cook down, so give that a little mix around and let it do its thing. Adding another pinch of salt, and again you don't have to add this, it's completely as per taste. We're ready to go in and add the sauces, so I've added some soy sauce here and also adding some chili sauce here too. Going in with a sprinkling of some chaat masala. We've got the remainder of our spring onion greens here for some garnish, so it looks nice and pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, goodbye.